Today we will introduce the first of the 4 cycles. That is, the R&D cycle. The personnel involved in this cycle. The main departments involved are R&D, PM, and engineering. The operations in this R&D cycle. The programs used are categorized under the inventory and product structure modules. Its main tasks include creating new item numbers, building BOMs and setting up routings. Of course, in case of design changes, related functions will also be used. Let's take a look at the operations involved in this cycle. In the R&D cycle, the main tasks consist of the following 4 items. The first is item number application. The second is the creation of BOM usage data. And the third is the product, finished goods, semi-finished goods. Creation of routing data. The corresponding English program names are create item data. In the ERP system, the program code is INVI02 program. After creating the item number, it's necessary to maintain the data in various views of the item master file. This is done through maintain item data. This part consists of abbreviations for various functions. Programs for maintaining various views. Located in the programs INVI 15 to INVI 23. Now let's take a look. In the overall flowchart, within the INV inventory module, the function used is this one. This program is used here to create new item numbers. So after the item number is created, we can see in the menu on the left side, after we create item data, the relevant departments must go in and maintain the views in the item master file. The views in the item master file require personnel from INVI 15 to INVI 23 to access the system to perform maintenance of the related data. For example, the views for procurement, sales, and warehousing, accounting, shipping, engineering, and quality control. The distribution part is relatively minimal. So these views, after a new item number is created, relevant functional units must use these programs to maintain the system's related parameters to ensure the ERP system operations run smoothly. Next, let's look at the operations related to BOM usage data creation. BOM usage data creation. The relevant data in the BOM is filled out by the applicant on a paper application form. The format of the BOM creation and change request form is as shown on the screen. If the applying unit wants to create materials used in semi-finished or finished item numbers, they must fill out the BOM creation and change request form in the ISO documents. The data the applying unit wants to create is filled out below according to the ISO document format. The form must be signed off by relevant units before being submitted to the PM unit for the creation of BOMs for finished or semi-finished item numbers. If new materials are not in the ERP before building the BOM, a new item number must be applied for first. When R&D, PM, or engineering units need to apply for a new item number, they must first fill out this item number application form. The applicant fills out the item number application form, noting the reason and purpose. After approval by the supervisor, each new item number in the document must have the first 3 digits. Material category, filled out by the applicant. The subsequent digits are coded by the PM department. When the applied new material is customer supplied, the first character of the item name field must be filled with a hash symbol to distinguish it, along with relevant specification information. The unit of inventory must also be noted in the form. If it is a material starting with 71S or 66S, the unit conversion field must also be filled out. This field indicates how many units a box or can be converted into, in terms of conversion equivalence. The next section is filled out by engineering. These parameters are related to LRP or work order material issuance settings. After the material application form is completed and approved by engineering, the PM unit will create the preliminary data for the item number. As mentioned at the beginning, the user fills out the application form and applies to the PM unit to create a new item number. After the new item number is created, the data in the item master file's various views is maintained. For BOM usage creation, the BOM usage or change request form is filled out. After approval, it is returned to PM to create the BOM-related information. The program used is create BOM requirement. The program code is BOMI02. The location of the program is categorized under the product structure module. BOM usage creation is done through this function. PM uses this program to create the BOM usage. From the flowchart, you can see that before the BOM usage data creation operation, there are some prerequisite tasks, such as material creation. This part is not within the scope of today's discussion. There will be another video in the future to explain the related operations. Let's continue looking. After the BOM usage is created, PM will notify relevant units via email or other push notifications that the new item number has been created. Since the new item number is for semi-finished or finished goods, if these semi-finished or finished goods need to be produced, routing data must be available. This is where the product routing data creation function is needed. The corresponding English program name is set product routing. The program code is also categorized under the BOM module, BOMI07. Continuing with this operation, in the flowchart diagram, the set routing icon is not visible. Therefore, routing setup must be accessed through the menu. Let's look at the menu contents. In the menu, we can see the BOM usage data creation mentioned earlier, which is done through the Create BOM Requirement program. To create BOM-related data, to set routing data for finished or semi-finished goods, it is done through the Set Product Routing program. Both BOM and routing settings are managed through the Product Structure module. Using these two programs to create BOM and routing. Finally, let's review the entire process. We can create item numbers using these programs, then create the BOM usage data, and finally set up the routing. This way, the item number will have sufficient data to proceed with production or procurement operations. That concludes the creation of new item numbers, as well as the creation of BOM and routing.